Hello guys, today we will make cloth simulation in Blender and we will make a t-shirt and swing it in Blender 2.83. But first, if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, do subscribe and also press the bell icon. And now let's just start. So I have a character here and you can make your own character and download it from anywhere. Shift A and select a plane RX and 90, make it a little bit up and go to the edit mode, Control R to make a loop cut here, and Z to wireframe mode, B to box select these vertices and delete the vertices, go to the modifier tabs and select a mirror modifier here and now you have to just make a rough t-shirt here, and now we will make a t-shirt from here just by extruding EZ again, EZ again, E and Z and Control plus R here, and now you have to just adjust it a little bit here and E to extrude, E and Z again. So this will be our, and one thing also remember to just check the clipping option here, so it will join the vertices, and just move it a little bit forward like this, and now you have to just subdivide it a little bit more, Control R and just add some loop here, loop cut and Control R. So this is the basic shape. Now what you have to do, select all and E to extrude like this, and now what you have to do, but one thing before that, what you can do, Control plus Z, and you can do a little bit smooth by going to smooth tool and just give it a little bit smoothness. Okay, and now A to extrude and extrude it like this and give it a loop cut here also and here also. So this is getting the shape, and now what you have to do, you have to delete some faces here like this, X, delete faces, and delete these faces also, X, delete faces, and delete down faces also, X, delete faces, and now you can also add some loop cuts here as well. And now what you have to do, you have to select these faces here, go to the face select mode, Alt and right click, Alt and right click here, go to the object data properties and select the group, assign it, and now if we select this, you can see that it is selecting these. Now what you have to do, you have to delete only faces, X, and delete only faces, so these lines can appear and the slew option is work only between these lines where there is no face. So now we have to go to the physics tab, go to the physics tab, go to the cloth option and increase the quality of the cloth to 10, and these settings are just fine here. Down, go down and click on the shape option, enable swing here and increase the value of max swing force. This is the force of unopening the thing. If the number is greater, then it will slowly goes down, and you can increase the factor to 0.1 here. Go to the collision and also increase the collision qualities to 8, and remaining settings you can also enable the self collision here, and also these are just fine here. Now go to the model and you have to enable the collision option. So click on the collision and down here you can type 0.1 here and 0.1 here. It is the just distance between the cloth and the object, and remaining setting will be fine. Now what you have to do, you can just check it now by pressing the space bar, that how it is work. So we will check by pressing the space bar, and you can see it is something like this. And what you can do, you can delete all bakes, delete all bakes and just type it 60 here, and we will check it again. Now you can see that it is working very well. For better result, you can just increase the subdivision. You can give it a subdivision, surface modifier here, and also you can give it a solidify modifier. But for this it is working very well. You can see that our cloth simulation is done, and you can also bake it by going to the physics tab, and first you have to delete all bakes, and now you can delete and now you can bake all the simulation by clicking on bake, and you can see that it is baking. So it is calculating the simulation, and now you can see that our cloth is done. Now you can just give it a color. So select this and go to the material tab, give it any color whatever you like. I will give it this color, and also select this, and you can also give it a second color like this, and now you can see that it is looking like this. So this is the cloth simulation tutorial. You can change the color whatever you like. Cloth simulation tutorial. I hope you like it. Please thumb up the like button, and thanks for watching.